looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this 2019 Jeep Cherokee Latitude in billet silver. With LED headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, bright side roof rails, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 21,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, SELEC-TERRAIN system, split folding rear seats, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 5402A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.